just going to review this Indesit IDC8T3 Condenser Tumble. This is my coffee, and then there's all back on the guy there. That's low heat and high heat. That's good. That's your start button, and then like your dial. Okay. Then it has 8 kilograms jump. As I suppose. You can see it has 8 kilograms, like 1 and 2 pedals, I guess. If you linked. There's your condenser unit, and there's fans. You'll do that. Nice. You have the empty water, so it tells you how to how it fills the water up on the top, where you empty that into the sink, just like that. Okay, so that's over here. This Indesit. Alright, so on to the next one.